Good job. Well, you hurt your finger. I'll kiss it better. I'll better. Hey, Oliver, what about your video, the 6 little ducks? Yeah, what about it? Where's the 6 little ducks? Will you go start your video? There you go. Good job. You want to watch the 6 little ducks? There, you did it! You did it! You did it! Can you clap for yourself? Good job! There's the 6 little ducks. Hey, Oliver. Good job starting your 6 little ducks video. Good job. I'm proud of you. You're running in place. You're excited. Say bye, camera.